Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we're continuing our resort tour series here at Bahia Principe Riviera Maya, and we're here in Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal, and we're in one of the rooms here to get a tour for you guys to show you what this room is all about and what's offered, because there is some extra offerings for luxury guests, being that this is a luxury hotel. So we'll kind of go around and point some of those out as we go through the room here. Just wanted to say a big thank you to Bahia Principe for hosting us on this trip and helping us get into all the rooms and buffets. So thank you, Bahia Principe. So we're going to start this tour in the front like we always do. So just wrapping around this way. You can see we have a bit of more of a traditional design here in this room with some of the older, or with some of the darker wood colors. And but things look like they've been refreshed over the years to keep everything looking really, really nice and very clean for the guests. So if we start over here, coming in from the door here, and then turning over to the left is the washroom area. So inside the washroom, just to the left, we have a toilet. It's not separate from the vanity area just here. So just wanted to let you know that. Also a big window here, letting in natural light that brightens up the space. Over here, we have the vanity area. So there's just a single sink here. We've got all the different toiletries that the hotel provides. We've got some glasses, facial soap, and then also we have a vanity mirror and a hairdryer that the hotel provides. And there is 110 volt power to plug in your devices if you need to plug in to get ready. To plug in any of your devices to help you get ready. Also, just want to point out too that we have a tub here, and then in the tub there's also the shower. It's a nice rainfall shower here, complete with a handle for showering. And also want to point out too that if you require a shower with accessibility, you can have this obviously removed, but that's on a lower floor, so that would just be like an easy entry into the shower area. So you could request that if you require any accessibility needs. So you can request that if you have any accessibility needs. So yeah, so that's the washroom. So we'll come out into the hallway here just to point out a couple things. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention, as part of the luxury guests, you can request aromatherapy for the shower, and that's done through concierge services. So that's a nice little perk. Just across from us here, we've got the closet area. So inside the closet, we've got robes here that you can wear during your stay. So there's two here. And this is another perk for luxury guests as well. And then also the slippers too. So if you're staying at Shan Khan or Akumal, you'll have robes to wear and slippers to wear as well. There's some hangers here, an ironing board and umbrella, and then some storage down here, below, and above. In the next closet here, we've got additional storage just up top and on these shelves here. And then we also have an in-room safe that you can use to program your own code to keep your valuables secure during your stay. And then coming into the rest of the room here, just to the left, we've got a big mirror here. Check yourself out before you head out for the evening. And then over here we've got a luggage table that you can put your luggage on during your stay, and some additional storage down here. I'll just point out the bedroom area here first. We've got a big king size bed here, and you can have different arrangements too depending on your family size. You could have double beds, and also you can have this bed or this sofa here made up as a bed and have the option for rollaway beds too. So this could technically sleep 4 people. Or sorry, this can potentially sleep 6 people with the 2 double beds. Scratch that. No people. Just don't say that. Just beside the bed, we've got our nightside table with drawer storage and just some storage underneath. And also these little lamps just beside the bed to give some light. And also here's the phone to reach out for any concerns or any requests you may have. So I just want to point out a couple things here. You could request pillow service. That's a luxury feature as well. You can request additional pillows or different types of pillows on their pillow menu, which is pretty cool. also you can request a aromatherapy in the room as well. So I think that's done like through like a little humidifier that has scent to it, maybe essential oils, I think. So that's another little perk for luxury guests as well. You could also request room service through the phone as well, so you can have some in-room dining. So just coming over this way, we have a little mini bar area and coffee area here too. So you've got a small coffee maker, coffee, all the fixings and some tea, and then some mugs here ready to go. Also we have an ice bucket, that's a feature for luxury guests as well, and then some glasses here for your drinks, which you can find down here in the mini bar. So in the little refrigerator here, we've got a stocked mini bar. So again, there's a couple extra features here for luxury guests. So we've got, this is standard, the Dos Equis beer, and I like the little theming they have on it here in Mexico. They've got the Steve Aoki branding. I haven't seen that anywhere else. We've got some soft drinks, Coca-Cola, and we've got some soda water, Fanta, and Coca-Cola products. And then another little feature for luxury guests is you get some potato chips as well. So one of the features for luxury guests in the minibar is you can request restocking of these beverages at any time, as opposed to if you're staying in one of the grand hotels, you only get one request per day, or they'll be restocked once per day only. So a nice little perk for staying in the luxury hotels. So just beside the little minibar area, we've got a little menu here that you can scan for room service. So you can scan that barcode and take a look if you'd like. And then to complete off this little area here, we've got the big screen TV. And then to complete off this area, we've got the flat screen TV here and a small chair that you can sit up at the table here. If we turn over this way, we've got the other side of the king size bed here. We've got another night side table here. We've got drawer storage. And then I'm just holding the remote actually right now. I just wanted to check out the TV, the channels, but there wasn't like a guide that I could look through. So there's a TV changer and then some switches on the wall for the ceiling fan and lights. So as I mentioned, there is the ceiling fan, which does a good job pushing the air around the room. And one thing I did forget to mention is there's aircon control as well, and it does feel very cool in here right now, so the air conditioning is working really nicely. I like these little columns here too that make up sort of this palatial look in this room here, very luxurious. There's another one over here too. And then we've got, in the living area, we've got 2 chairs and a table. It's a nice place to hang out here or have some in-room dining. And then the sofa bed that I mentioned earlier. So again, this is not a pull-out couch or pull-out sofa, but you can have this requested to be made into a single bed. So the housekeeping will do that up with sheets and blankets and pillows. So you could sleep someone here on this sofa bed. I like the just sort of the laid back artwork on the wall here. Not too colorful, but it kind of works with the style in the room here. And then the little, and then the one of the best features of this room that we got to tour is the view from the balcony. This is an oceanfront room, so I'm going to take you guys outside and show you the view from the balcony here. So I just got to get the door open first. Oh, one thing to note too is there is a screen here too, which we haven't seen on some of the other rooms, but so out on the balcony, I'll just point out first that there is 2 chairs and a table here. In addition, there's an ashtray too. And then take a look at the view you get from this balcony here, looking out over the beautiful crystal blue waters. The water's actually like really nice and blue this time of year. This is October, or heading into November next week. So scratch that. This is the fall time in at the time this video is being shot. So the water is really beautiful. There isn't a lot of seaweed in the water at this time of year, so you can really get the natural blues of the ocean, and it looks fantastic from here. I like the palm trees. It's a nice crystal clear day outside, very nice and warm. But I will point out a couple things before we wrap up the video here. We do have, just over this way will be towards the beach and the main lobby at Akumal. Just in front of us here is the swimming area and beach area for Luxury Shan Khan, which is another hotel on property here. And you can use the beach service here as well, staying at Luxury Akumal. And as we continue all the way down, I'll just kind of peek through this balcony over here. We can see we're starting to go through to the other side where the adults only beach is, just down that way. So yeah, lots of opportunity to enjoy the beaches here. If you wanted to take a closer look at the whole hotel, we did a full hotel tour of this hotel, and you'll find that up on our channel as well. So I hope you guys found that helpful, just taking a look at what the rooms look like here at Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal. This is the second time we've been at this hotel. Definitely recommend it. It's really, really nice, and the staff are excellent here. And we do have another hotel tour in the adults only area of the hotel as well, so you'll find that on our channel too. But again, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.